Hello Explorer! Are you planning on traveling to Vietnam? Everyone will need a visa to travel to Vietnam, and in these videos I will show you how easy it is to apply for a Vietnamese visa online. Vietnam is a hidden gem of the Southeast Asia region, and people are flocking to the country to explore the amazing food, the lush national parks, buzzing city, peaceful islands, and jaw-dropping landscapes. In the previous videos, we spoke about the top 10 must-visit destinations of Vietnam. Please feel free to check them out in the link below. In this video, I will show you how to get your visa step by step. All you need is a valid passport with at least 6 months left before it expires from the day you travel, and a current passport photos and a credit card to pay for the visa fee. Are you ready? Let's dive into it. But hey, before we get started, please show us some love by giving these videos a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. And also make sure that you ring the bell so you never miss out on our awesome contents. Okay, let's go! If you want to travel to Vietnam, you will need a visa, which you can easily get a Vietnamese e-visa online. All you need is a valid passport with at least 6 months left before it expires from the travel date to Vietnam, a current passport photos, and a credit card to pay for the visa fee. So what is a Vietnamese e-visa? It is a visa which is issued by the Vietnamese Immigration Department online via their website. It is valid up to 90 days and can be used for a single or multiple entries. This visa allows you to enter Vietnam through any international port of entries, but the main airports are Tân Sơn Nhất Airport, SGN in Ho Chi Minh City in the south of Vietnam, Noi Bai Airport, HIN in Hanoi City in the north of Vietnam, and Da Nang Airport, DAD, in Da Nang City in the central of Vietnam. The e-visa website is user-friendly, so you can apply for it by yourself. And make sure that you read all the requirements before submitting your application and payment. The visa fees are $25 for a single entry visa or $50 for a multiple entry one. And this fee is non-refundable. Let's apply for the e-visa together. You will need a color scan of your passport, a digital passport photos, your personal information, contact details, your occupation information, your trip details, for example like the purpose of the trip, where are you going to stay, your trip duration, and how you're going to pay for your trip, and the information about your previous Vietnam trip if you have any. So step number 1, let's go to the Vietnamese Immigration Department website via this link, and you can find the link in the description section below, and then choose for foreigner to begin. Step number 2, read through the instruction carefully to understand the process. You will need to tick the tick box and click next to proceed. Step number 3, you will need to upload a scan of your passport data page as instructed and a clear passport photo. Fill out your e-visa application form with your personal details, your trip information, what type of visa you want to apply for, and so on. If you have any information, you will need to fill out in the section below. Step number 4, review your application, and then you will get a verification code. Remember to save this code for later use, so prepare a pen and a paper. Review your application and make sure all the information is correct. And move on to the payment. And make sure all the information was filled in accurately. The visa fee is $25 for a single entry or $50 for a multiple entry. And the fees is non-refundable whether your application is approved or not. Yay, it is done! Congratulations! And you can check your visa status after 3 working days in this website. You can find the link in the description below. And when your visa is approved, you can download and print your e-visa for immigration custom when you arrive in Vietnam. Well, your visa should be granted if you are a genuine traveler, have no violation of the Vietnamese law, and you have sufficient funds to pay for your trip. And when your visa granted, it will look like this. Well, congratulations! Now you know how to apply for your Vietnamese visa. It will only take us 20 minutes to apply for this visa. Let's start applying for it and get our trip to Vietnam going. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. I hope you will get your visa very soon because the vibrant cities, the amazing food, the jaw-dropping landscape, and the awesome people and cultures in Vietnam are waiting for you to explore. I just can't wait to share with you more tips to prepare for your awesome trip to Vietnam in the next videos. Thanks for tuning in and for your ongoing support. Please hit the like and the subscribe button for more videos next time, and we got some more awesome content here for you. Just click on the video thumbnails to check them out. Thank you so much and see you in the next videos.